Hello DERP teams, this is Maggie from the Blue Tree Group and this video tutorial discusses some what-if scenarios. Since we're working in 11 countries with 33 people in the field and over 10 people managing the project remotely, it's important that we establish some what-if scenarios. So to go to scenario number 1, if a stakeholder has questions that the local consultant cannot answer, please refer him or her to the country coordinator. If he or she does not know, please inquire with the project managers. Maggie de Jong Abebe is the project manager for Mali, Mozambique, Zambia, Malawi and Nigeria, and Rudy Klaas is the project manager for Senegal, the DRC, Ethiopia, Uganda, Kenya and Tanzania. What if scenario number 2? If the title holder decides not to provide access to materials, depending on the situation and importance of the organization, you might decide to try to convince them once more. If not, you can kindly thank them for their collaboration. If you do try to convince them, please stress that their copyrights will be respected at all times. In the DERP briefer you will also find some other motivations, such as it being a good promotional platform for their titles. A stakeholder could also decide only to share information on a select number of materials. Then you can move on to those materials in the title holder's collection that they would like to have included. Please make sure to log all communication that you have with stakeholders so that we have on record what their answers were in terms of collaboration. What if scenario number 3? If the local consultant falls behind on schedule, the country coordinator should discuss his or her selection of materials using the target content document and filter questions document to review the selection that they are making. Another option is to review the speed of filling in the questionnaires by the local consultant. Number 4. If the local consultant has a hold-up during travel, he or she is required to inform the country coordinator as soon as possible, together with the reasons and impact of the delay. The country coordinator will then inform the project managers and make a plan to redress the delay. If the local consultant manages to visit and review the materials earlier than expected, he can move on to the next organization. Just make sure that they know you're coming. If even then there's time left, the local consultants are encouraged to go out to some more informal markets to inspect whether he or she can find other materials. What if scenario number 6? It could be that some stakeholders offer the same titles. This could result in both local consultants filling in the survey for the same title twice, which would cause duplication of efforts. To avoid this as much as possible, we encourage you to have the local consultant visit the publishers first. Booksellers might sell titles from various publishers, so if the local consultants know which titles have already been done, they can skip those in the bookshop. Number 7. Some reading materials for children can also be found on the informal market. If you as a country coordinator or local consultant come across such an informal market, please check what kind of titles are offered. It's likely they won't let you fill out the survey on the spot, it still remains an informal market, but perhaps you could write down the titles of the books. There are probably more what-if scenarios, and if they come across, please contact the project managers Maggie de Jong Abebe or Rudy Klaas. Thank you.